Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check pending connection request on LinkedIn. And all we have to do is to launch our LinkedIn application. So after launching our LinkedIn application, all we have to do is to tap on my network. Then from here, we can actually decide to follow this account. Let's say I follow this person. And let's say this other person, then maybe add this person. We can go back. As you can see, if we tap on the profiles, we don't actually have that which is the pending connection. So where we can actually check if we can't actually find them there to tap on invitations. And as you can see, I don't have one. But this is where we can actually see those pending connection requests, which is when we follow somebody and let's say they haven't followed us back. Now it will give us some type of ending since they haven't followed us back. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.